Hello, everybody. This is yours truly, the Forex Rockstar. I trust you're blessed. I trust you're well. I trust all is going well with you in your Forex, career and your Forex business. Now, I don't know what I'm trying to do here, but what I have to do is to add value to your life. So one of the things that I'm sharing this stuff with you guys is because I want to show you guys something that is important. This is just a sneak peek into one of my live sessions with my students. Like, oftentimes when it comes to the low and the high of the day, most of the times they are predetermined levels. Okay, they are predetermined levels. Like it's places when we're doing the Forex Rockstar Challenge. One of the things that I used to do was I used to send it in advance so that people know, or maybe they see what I'll be looking at in the market, so that when the market gets to that area, we both sell or we both buy, me and my mentees. So I want to give you a sneak peek of, one of the instances when I was having a live session, because now we're returning with the Forex Rockstar Challenge next week or so. And this is one of the things that I'll be doing. I'll be having a live session like on a daily basis, so that I show you what I'll be looking at and when to buy and when to sell. I'll be actually literally showing you when the market is going to be at its lowest for the day and where the market is most likely going to be at its highest for the day. When it comes to those places, I'm gonna pull the trigger and I'll be sending you those alerts as well. So this is just a sneak peek of one of the sessions I was having. Let me just play you. I need you to listen to this time, because if you see there was news on the GBP, whatever, I don't remember very well, but there was manipulation, obviously, Now, if you, so in this instance, I first spoke about what was likely to happen, and then the market delivered about 30 pips, or I don't know, 20, 35 or 40 pips, I don't know, in a space of less than 5 minutes. After I spoke, actually, it was less than a minute after I spoke, they delivered 30 pips in a minute. Okay, let me show you. So notice this is this was a recording on Zoom that I'm playing for you. Notice. Confirm to us that they are moving down. It's a good sell. In this instance, it's a good sell. So you notice that I'm telling them that it's a good sell, right? And after I say that it's a good sell, I need you to see what the market did afterwards. Now, this is after then. You see, some, like, look at that. I need you to watch this. Of George Soros and the likes of, all these big guys that trade the forex market, the financial markets, brother. I listen to a lot of them. Most of my content on my phone is stuff I listen to. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Yo, guys, look at that. Did you see that? I mean, in this instance, even myself, I was shocked because the market moved rapidly, gave us 30 pips. I was not taking this trade. I was just illustrating. Remember, it's an illustration. It's a live session for beginners. So I was illustrating the strategy and the power of what I do. And like you see that this was not someone, this is not once in a lifetime thing. Like if you join my live sessions, I do this thing every day. If you notice on my chats on WhatsApp, I send my students chats and I tell them, guys, did you see what happened on the pair that we spoke about and stuff like that? In this instance, the market just moved 30 pips just like that. Just like that. After I'd given them a notification, like they should be selling there. Look at that. You see? I spoke to them that this is where they should be selling. So God bless you. I love you so much. Please keep watching, subscribe, share with your friends, share with your mentor, share with everybody, and they might get help. God bless you. I love you so much. Yours truly, the Forex Rockstar, signing out.